Factors breeding insecurity, such as porous national borders and the free flow of ammunition and firearms, youth unemployment, drugs, and blatant criminality must be tackled head-on. Restructuring our national agencies for effective performance. There is an urgent need to change the National Security Advisor and the security architecture of this nation. Law enforcement agencies will need to be better equipped and motivated. But let the truth be told, our security agencies have been infiltrated by the enemies of the state, and those who have compromised must be purged. We therefore demand that these agencies of government be totally cleaned up without delay. The political process. The activities for the general election of 2023 are picking up, and there is need for strengthening internal democracy in the political parties. We must say that the insensitivity and the display of impunity by our political leaders, especially in the two major big parties, is worrisome. The APC's inconsiderate and insensitive Muslim ticket is a recipe for Islamization. If this arrangement is forced down on this nation, religious and social discrimination and open public enforcement of the Sharia law will take roots in some parts of this country. Nigeria, as we know it, your so-called civilized understanding. On the other hand, PDP should resolve its internal issues. We strongly believe that a political merger between northern and southern-based parties across tribal, religious, and ideological divides with good connectivity at the grassroots will be a game changer. No one party has all the solutions to our national challenges, and we must learn to manage our diversities.